So we can easily convert shapefile to KML file. Make sure that your shapefile is in UTM coordinate system or WGS84 or lat long coordinate system. Your shapefile must be in lat long or UTM coordinate system. So this is the ArcGIS interface. I have already loaded a shapefile here. So let's check the coordinate system first. We see the geographic coordinate system is WGS1 1984. So it is compatible for making KML. So let's convert it into KML file. To do this, just search here layer to KML. It is already written. Just press enter and layer to KML conversion tool. Click on here. So drag the shapefile in the layer box and the output file. Show the output file. Suppose in the desktop I am saving network. It will save as KMZ file. KMZ and KML file are same. You can use in same purpose these two files, no problem, but in some extent these are different, but you don't have to worry about it. KML and KMZ are same, almost same. KMZ is latest and KML is the previous version. That's it. Just save it. Okay, and the KML file or KMZ file will be created in the blink of eyes. Let's see the KML file. Here the network KMZ file has been created. So if we double click on the KML file, see the KML file will appear on the green color. We can change the color by clicking properties and just click on red. Okay, you can increase the width for clear visibility. Okay, now see the all calls have been appeared in the Google Earth. So that's how we can convert shapefile to KML file. Thank you for watching patiently. Please subscribe this channel and share with your friends.